The following video is not sponsored by Dollar Tree.
So Dollar Tree is by far my favorite dollar store. I always find something great whenever I go in there, and recently found these woodworking kits for $1, and I think these are just awesome. I bought every single one that they had just because I thought that they were so cool. I think it's a great way to get someone interested in woodworking. They appear to have everything that they need. It comes with glue and all the parts required, all for $1. I don't know, I just thought these were absolutely adorable and just a really cool thing to find at the dollar store. And today I just wanted to, well, one, show them to you, and to tell you to keep an eye out for them if you're ever at a Dollar Tree or perhaps some other dollar store. And I just wanted to try putting one together to see, you know, what they actually are. And I think I want to do this helicopter. It looks like it's actually articulated, like the blade will actually spin. So I think that one would be pretty cool. Well, they're substantial pieces of wood. They're not just like balsa or anything, so that's cool. And there we got a little bottle of glue, rubber band, and a little eyelet. The instructions are on the package, so don't destroy the package. I think this is just some regular white PVA glue. I think I want to make this all go a little bit faster, so I'm just going to upgrade to some super glue and an activator. But where to start? I thought that they were just wildly crooked, but no, they're supposed to be pointing out. Okay, so this little knob goes in the center. So I don't think this is a necessary piece. I think that's just from when they drilled out the hole. I'm sure they drilled in from both sides, and this is just left in there. So I think that's just scrap. To the rubber band. And then the one with the hole in it, get through first. The threads. Okay, so upwards. The notch needs to be up. That is cool. That's really cool. It even kind of sounds like a helicopter when you wind it up. That's really neat. That was fun. And for $1, that's really cool. I'm happy with this. This is really neat. I think this is really cool. Any young person or old person would have fun with this, and I think it's, especially if someone's new to woodworking or just wants a little quick activity, I think this is really cool. Just simple wooden toys, and of course you can just use the glue that it comes with and teach patience and having to wait for the glue to dry. I really like that. I had a lot of fun. It doesn't look as cool, but I think it'll spin longer Oh yeah! Look at that! That spun forever! And by forever I mean 3 seconds. Oh, and then I spun it too much. If only I had another rubber band. Oh, darn. Keep getting too greedy. Well, that is it. That is all I wanted to share with you. Just some neat activities, easily accessible and cheap at your local dollar store. They have several others. I wish they had more. It would be awesome to find just like hundreds of different models of these. Maybe they do. Maybe I can find out who actually makes them or where they come from. But that one was fun, and I really look forward to making these others too. Of course, the birdhouse would definitely be a functional birdhouse. Don't know how well this sailboat would sail. I guess if you put some weight on the bottom, like Pinewood Derby weights on the bottom, that might give it enough weight and stability to stay in the water. But this was a lot of fun. I have other videos in the works, but I just wasn't in the mood to go through a big lengthy edit, and so I thought I would pull these out and give them a try and show them off, and I'm glad I did. I think this could be cool to try and do a hydro dipping technique. That's definitely something I've wanted to try, where you spray paint into water and then you dip it in. We could do a part 2 on this with, but that's just too cool. Or I'm easily amused. Or both. But my sincere thank you for watching. Once again, I am Nick D. Clements. If you're wondering, Nick is short for Nicholas, and the D stands for dollar. Anyway, I'm off to make something else.